Today is the third day of the challenge. I know it was not easy, it was stressful. We must succeed. Let's go.
I don't care who's doing better than me. I'm not in competition with anyone else. The only rival I have is the person I was yesterday. Last year, I was different. I've grown, I've learned, I've improved, and that's what truly matters. It's me versus me. Every day, I wake up ready to push myself further. I challenge my limits, striving to be the best version of myself. I won't let someone else's success make me feel small. Their journey is theirs, and mine is mine. I know where I've come from, and I know where I'm going, so I keep pushing forward, not to be better than anyone.
So my people, I've been so down. I've not been posting on this channel for a while now. So this is the reason I apologize to you all. So my last video, my last workout challenge, my episode 2, when I did that video, when I shot that video finish, I developed so many problems that I need to take care of before going back to my next shoot. So I have not done this for the past 5 years, this workout. I've not been exercising, I've not been doing anything. The only thing I do is to wake up, pray, and go to work. I don't know what, if for the past 5 years, I've not been playing football. So it has been so difficult for me to figure this out. So I just wake up one early morning. I decided to open this channel for workout challenge. I've not been exercising myself for past 5 years. So that's why I have been so down. I have to take my drugs, take good care of myself before bouncing back full time. So for those of you who have been discouraged, for those of you who have been disorganized, for those of you who have been angry about me, who have been so deeply and looking for me, who have been asking, where am I? Thank you so much. I thank you for your care. Thank you for your understanding. Please, my fans, don't lose hope on me. You know, this is a lifetime something. So I need to take good care of myself before passing back. So I'm so sorry for every disappointment. I'm so sorry for everything. But I promise you guys, I will be posting back to back. So my next video, I will be dropping a workout challenge, juggling for streets, road walk. I'll be doing road walk. Maybe tomorrow or next, I will be doing that. I'll go outside without staying indoor. So we go outside. My next shoot, we go outside and do the workouts out there, so that people will see us, not indoors always. So please, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Comment and share. If you have any advice, any opinion, comment on the comment section. I'm there, active. So for my UK fans who have been watching me all this while, I thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you guys.